Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace cabin air filter 2013 Toyota Avalon updated. Start by opening the glove box, remove the stops, and lower the box to reveal the filter cover. Wear gloves to keep dirt off your hands, then unclip the cover, slide out the old filter, inspect it, and install the new one oriented to the airflow arrow. Close everything, test the blower, and enjoy fresher cabin air. Gather a flat screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and a new cabin air filter sized for your Avalon. Park on level ground, turn off the engine, and set the parking brake for safety. Remove the glove box stops, lower the box fully, and unclip the rectangular filter cover carefully. Note the airflow arrow on the new filter, insert it matching the direction, then reassemble the glove box and test the HVAC system. Common issues include a stuck glove box, damaged clips, or a misaligned filter causing noise. If the box resists, gently depress the sides to free the stops, and replace any broken clips with OEM or equivalent parts. Inspect the evaporator for debris while the cover is off, vacuum if needed, and replace the filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or sooner in dusty areas. Keep records of replacements for resale value and maintenance tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.